So this is something of interest to all those who are looking out for a career in digital marketing. And very frequently people keep coming back to us asking what are the certificates, what kind of certificates we issue, and what are the certificates available in digital marketing, what is the validity of a digital marketing certificate. So what we've tried to do is we've tried to list down few of the certificates which probably has a global acceptance, and then we'll also understand what importance each of these certificates would hold. So Google being one of the largest player in the digital marketing space, definitely Google certification would mean a lot. So Google has about 5 certifications in Google AdWords. They have a certification for Google Search, they have a certification for Google Display, they have certification for shopping, they have a certification for video ads, and they have a certification for mobile app. All these are a part of Google AdWords paid marketing campaign. So, but then what is the cost fees needed? What is the fees that Google would charge for this? So the fees is zero. You don't have to pay money for these certifications. What you'll have to do is you'll have to understand these platforms very well and take those exams. It's an online exam and you don't have to pay anything. You can take the exam from anywhere, and no one else can issue you a certificate of Google. It is only Google who can issue you a certificate. So what you have to do is you'll have to take these tests, and you can take them at your own time, at your luxury. And then there are no restrictions on the number of times that you can try and attempt each one of them. So you took a test today and you were not able to get through the test, so you can retry the test after 7 days. So it's no rocket science. You keep working on the platform. Basically the platform is more to evaluate how well you are acquainted with the intricacies within the AdWords platform. What are the features, what are the pointers, what are the highlights within Google AdWords, and of course a certain test of strategy, how much of paid advertisement you understand. So each of these tests will have similar multiple question type MCQ type tests. So that has about 5 tests. Google also has a test on Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is the tool which lot of organizations use to manage, to probably have an understand about the kind of visitors who visit on their website, and a detailed insight into what the visitor does on the website, and depending on the activity that the user does, the kind of target audience who visit, the kind of audiences, the kind of demographic, and depending on that, of course, you use them in marketing. So Google Analytics certification definitely would be one is something that not many people do this certification, and I think this could be a powerful certification to add to your credential, because spending money is little easy. To be analytical and then draw inferences and then put that back into marketing, it's not everybody's cup of tea. So I think Google Analytics certification will definitely help you stand out a little different from the crowd. Bing is the second search engine, and Bing also has a certification for the Microsoft Ad Center platform that is used to advertise on the Bing and Yahoo search platforms. But however, since not many people use Bing and the traffic is not huge, so it's not very popular, but yes, you can add this to your credential. Facebook recently launched Facebook Blueprint, the certification that Facebook issues. This certification is not free. You'll have to pay money for it. That's about $150. And again, what does Blueprint include is, it includes all the features that Facebook has to offer to a marketer, which means what are the features within the advertisement platform, what are the features within the Facebook posts, to the extent that it would also have questions related to Facebook Canvas. It'll also have questions related to offers, claims. It'll also have questions related to posts. It'll also have questions related to what are the settings, what are the limitations, what are the restrictions. So basically it's a test of how well you understand the Facebook platform with respect to the features that it has to offer, organic and paid both. Hootsuite is a social media management platform and has been there for quite some time. Probably one of the earliest social media uh, management platforms. Of course, there are a lot of them today, Buffer and a couple of them. Uh, you can add that as a certification in your this thing, so in your kitty, but that's not a free certificate. So Hootsuite also has a certification which is about $100. Uh, HubSpot is an excellent platform to for inbound marketing. Probably the top guys in the digital marketing space, all the bigger brands, a lot of them would be using HubSpot for inbound marketing, and it'll make sense to have a HubSpot certification. But I think more than the certification that HubSpot has to offer, it is a platform if you're well versed with. It's a great add-on because it has excellent features, and the way businesses are moving. We are moving from a seller's market to a buyer's market, which is you'll have to create pull for your customers, and that's where I think the core of the action lies with HubSpot. So platforms like HubSpot is definitely a win-win situation to have it on your resume. YouTube also has a certification. The certification is not from the paid advertisement side, which because as it is, it's already there in the Google video, Google AdWords video certification. But then the YouTube certification is more about for those people who are looking to generate revenue through YouTube, creating channels on YouTube, adding videos and trying to monetize them. So this certification is more to do with trying to understand what you can and what you cannot do within the YouTube feature. What are the best practices? So YouTube has certain guidelines with respect to content, with respect to monetization. So it is basically to test how much of those guidelines you've gone through and how well you understand the YouTube platform before you start monetizing them. So this is where it gets little tricky. I purposely written ABCDEF here. This represents all the training institutes claiming to have a certificate which probably would land you a job or whatever, a red carpet welcome. But then the fact is there's no certification from any institute or training program that has a global recognition. It might have recognition within the pockets that the institute or the program is popular, but then there's no such common digital marketing certification from a program or a course which would have a red carpet welcome across the globe. So probably for me, this certification is completely immaterial because in my opinion, even if a recruiter is going to hire a digital marketer, would not hire someone just because there is a certificate here. Probably they might be open to interviewing you on priority based on these certifications. They would be open to interviewing you based on these certifications, the certifications that I've listed here. But this will also not ensure that you have a job at your hand. This will also not ensure that you get the most preferential treatment. However, yes, between two job seekers, a person who has these certifications, the chances are this person will probably have a first chance to try at the job. However, the person will still have to convince the recruiter or the organization that the person is capable of the job, because the certifications can be taken at your own leisure time, at your own place, at your comfort. So does not necessarily mean someone who is certified, someone who has a Google AdWords certification probably would have got himself, would have taken the exam on himself. It could be someone else who would have done the exam for so something like impersonation or someone taking the exam on someone else's behalf. So at the end, I would say these certifications are good to be there on your resume, but they shouldn't be the end of your objective, because the end objective is if you don't carry the right knowledge, no one is going to hire you. These certificates probably will help you get the first chance to try at the job.